Good day everybody. Welcome back to another exciting video. Limpopo born Ndivhudzannyi Ralivhona, well known by her adorable fans as Makhadzi, won Best New International Act at BET Awards. Guess what? Makhadzi won the awards and she thanks everybody. She kneels down to thank the world, to thank Mwari, to say, I thank you all my fans out there. Makhadzi acknowledged on the Mcgee podcast and she'll show that she owes SARS a significant amount of money and that she obtained money from a loan shark to cover her travel expenses to the award. When she arrived at Or Tambo airport from the United States, her followers warmly welcomed her. She expressed her happiness at being recognized globally. A girl from a dusty street of Venda to the world. Oh, Makhadzi, we would like to congratulate you for winning this award. For more content, subscribe to our YouTube channel at V Pride Multimedia Studio. Like, ring the bell and share.